I've learned to take things slower, take breaks, and really think about how to do things differently. This helps me save my energy for the things that matter. I might not always get to do everything I plan to, but I can focus on what's important to me, and I get a sense of accomplishment from that. I've chosen to adapt when it comes to daily tasks. I now vacuum a room, take a break, then come back to it. If it takes a few days to do the whole house, I'm okay with that. I also go to the grocery store 2 or 3 times a week and get a little at a time, bringing it in from the car in stages too. Showering and dressing takes a little longer these days. Getting in and out of the shower isn't as easy as it used to be. I got a handrail installed above the bath, and I've put a spare chair next to the bath so that I can sit and rest if I need to. I leave a bathrobe on the chair so I can just slip it on.
There are quite a few things that you can do to make everyday tasks easier. Things like breaking tasks into small chunks can really help. You can also make changes to the way you do things. You could try sitting down while doing things like preparing food. Try to work with your elbows or forearms supported. You'll use less energy sitting than if you were standing. These are just a few ideas. In the next section, we will look at how you can try adaptations that work for you.